Very good. Welcome back. How was it? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well and that you guys are keeping safe. If this is your very first time meeting this bold, beautiful, dark-skinned girl from South Sudan, you're highly welcome to my space. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know where you're watching me from. So in today's video, I know from the thumbnail and the title and opening this video, you are like, what the hell? What is this one talking about? So yeah, it's a village video or a cooking video that I shot in the village. Let me tell you guys what happened exactly. So that day I did not wake up early because there was no work. I was resting. Then a goat was slaughtered for us because we are more than 10. So deep down in my heart, I knew I wanted to help the cooks cook, but I did not think of shooting content. I forgot totally that I'm a content creator, because if you know the environment in South Sudan, it's not a camera friendly kind of space. So in most cases it's weird or it's not allowed. If they catch you recording, my friend, you'll have issues. So you just put yourself in the mood of no camera. So when I came out, they already cut it. It was put on fire. But we knew that we wanted to cook more, or we are going to cook it for lunch, for supper, and the next day breakfast. So I came help them. We boiled it. Then I marinated it without camera, no nothing. Then after marinating it, I even put the first round on the fire. Then from there I remember that, oh, I'm a content creator and that could actually be a good video. So I started recording from removing that meat. Then I continued without talking to you guys. So that's what it is. So from here now, you guys can watch the video and enjoy. It's not a long video at all. So this video should be cooking a whole goat for more than 10 people, or what we eat in a day in the village. Yeah. So thank you so much for clicking and forgive me, because I knew you're supposed to be expecting me in the village, but I'm here sitting beautifully trying to tell you guys how I cooked in the village. So obviously I am in Juba. Watch the videos and let me know what you think about the video. Welcome back. How was it? I warga da ruga da yau la sincan da zai da manukul bara. Madam da yi da la da mana. Yar mata talata ne. Talata ke talata yi biyu. Ai yi to. Tole fa. I am okay. Goro dei mal dia pas tu nan.
Kalau ni anu barang lo.
Na ku ke je goro ka yen pon mal da.
Ini aja bro.
Ta ke na pusla. Yalla da nan.
Gora.
Okay. Nama ku nya wa.
Gora.
I got a new particular mission. She's very serious.
Very serious. She takes the job serious.
What do you do that?
So scary.
Macam tak bisa jarak.
Yin kan? I can't wait for tomorrow. I'll be like,
But no, this one.
they'll be like,
Yeah,
baby, it's okay, you'll be
sorry.
fine.
But no,
Nothing.
it cannot allow you now.
All of us even need that pampering, but who to give you? We are all vulnerable at this point.
Learn along.
I don't know what you're doing. It's time to turn the meat. You guys.
Anjay.
You guys, I did not even tell you the issue of what's happening here. So we are cooking a whole goat in the field. Yeah. So we are frying some of it. This is the marinated one. So we marinated it here and we are frying it here.
Ini right.
How do I? Come on here.
Kamu kayak video lah. Aku sang ni gua.
Mua như nó rồi.
Abang gue ni lim. Aku sang.
Con chào tàn cả lôi kèn.
Terra. Jen. Nyan. Gor ba bangi. Ba bang.
Gor aku belum ngam. Kau bisa milih.
Bang ka ba bang. Time to remove the oil from fire. God. Anyway, shovel access. The hot oil. This is the stew of the.
You are telling who?
I'm telling the camera. So we have this meat. We are going to eat it tomorrow for breakfast. So we're going to cook it in the evening. Then we have some things here. We have the internal organs and the liver for evening. What else do we have? Finish. Share, obviously they have seen when I was cooking. So this is the final product of the whatever I was frying. The meat, obviously.
I missed today.
You will come. And yeah, that's it. So ew. They already see that one is for the rice. So we are going to eat all this with the rice, and this is the water for the rice we are going to put. I'm going to take you guys along. Tina, say hi.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We're happy to have you back here.
Oh.
Tina, as always.
Madam.
Do your best.
It's me, Juan, on the camera.
For the
My
first time.
mate for the first time. Yeah, I like her content so much. In fact, I already tasted the salt. She's a very good chef for...
Yeah? This one they're praising me like this for free. Anyway,
She can
shower.
cook. You guys need to come and taste one day. Whoever is close, I don't know. But she's a good one, honestly. Like, it's
Thank you,
mwah.
madam. Anyway, shower.
This
is time for rice.
Dia uko tayari kazato. Asa ile biara bazama daga na kanisa kermi no zato.
Asa lita biga.
Asa bi America.
It's time to wash our rice.
Na min wen.
This one is taking away. That here?
Asa ujo.
You first remove.
Ayo jo grida.
The time he wanted to marry you as well.
Kaza ni 11 ke.
Kalzo je tu ni labe.
Da mana mulin te kabada.
Alfani dasha. Alfani 10.
Amul
انت غابة ولا انت غابة 2010 شهر 4
يلا هاجر
يلا انتهى شهر 12
وايدا ولا شنو ده انت قاعد شنو ده ريفرندوم ده
شلون بير علم
بير علم هاي 2011.
So the rice water is hot and it's time to put our rice inside.
عاجلا ما فتح
Aisha jana na ya kwani.
ورا
Yes. Happy breakfast as we are traveling. Ooh. You guys see this kind of this kind of breakfast with rice, yeah? This is wet fried oh.
Yamugwaga kola kilto. The last put in the field ya jama.
Last meal in the village.
But nice food, I like.
You guys remember the meat I was showing you yesterday that this is for breakfast.
Even people
Finally,
in
it is
town
now
are not
cooked.
eating this, my sister.
Yeah?
People who are in Juba, they are not eating this.
So this is the product of the meat I was showing you guys yesterday. It's for breakfast. I'm guilty.
The way you are smart. Let them even see the tent.
Thank you so much for watching. If you reach up to this point, if you like anything about this video, let me know. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.